So starting the test drive in this R1S Adventure, this is a very futuristic feeling off-road SUV, and that's actually what makes this, I think, a real game changer in the segment, specifically when it comes to EVs. This thing is really, really fast. I shouldn't say fast, it's relatively quick, really quick, off-road capable with an all-wheel drive setup. And you know, it's pretty practical too, because these are pretty efficient. This has a standard battery pack, so it's not the big one that can get you 300 plus, but 200 miles for something like this particularly is pretty nice. Love having the blind spot cameras. They really come in handy. And this just feels like if Yogi Bear had made an SUV, this is how it would feel in here. The infotainment system, the gauge cluster. It's just comfortable, if that makes sense. It's very comfortable in here. Now the license plate is up here, so that's what's making that rattling sound. For the most part, everything else in here is quiet. Now I had the air suspension up, and it was kind of giving me just a low drone when I had it set to the high setting, but when I had it set back to standard, it was silent again. But these are just, they're really nice. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more space to kind of show you the wide angle. But it's a nice SUV, even though it's an EV, even though it's a Rivian, it still feels very luxurious while also feeling very practical. But it's quick, man. And this isn't even the max battery pack with the most power. This is only pushing 5-something horsepower, like that's slow, but it's just very easy to drive. I can get in here and just start going. And that's why this all-purpose drive mode is so special, because you have the power there, but then you also have the ease of driving around town as well. And I'm gonna give it a pull getting on the interstate here momentarily, but again, let me just say, this is such a nice SUV. When they first came out, I was wondering what all the hype was about, but this is actually just a really nice vehicle. Gonna give it a pull here. Here we go. Again, this isn't even the fastest one, but it's got some punch to it. I mean, that was very nice. Now I want to give another huge thanks to Auto Collection of Murfreesboro and Auto Pro Nashville for allowing me to review this R1S today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever vehicle you might be interested in. Now we do have the adaptive cruise and the lane centering on here. It's a little tight traffic, so I'm not going to really test that out to the fullest extent, but just know it's available to you on this one in particular. But this ride is really good. I mean, for an EV, it's phenomenal. It's very, very soft. You can feel the bounce a little bit, but for this to be as off-road capable as it is, I'm very surprised by how well it's coming down the road. But one thing that Rivian does great is these cameras. These cameras, again, they look like freaking GoPros. And that's what you want in terms of your, your safety view, whether it's the blind spot cameras, the backup camera, the front camera. You want to be able to see everything in high definition. And that's what you get here. And I mean, there's really not much left to say about this thing. It's so practical. It's so unique as well. I finally see why people like these so much. I see why people were paying so much money for them when they first came out, because they're lookers, they're fun to drive, they're off-road capable, they're quick, relatively spacious, and relatively practical, again, to just be able to charge this at home and go take it on a trail if you need to. And I've driven the R1T. I really like the R1T. I wish I could get one for like 30 grand. But, those bring a lot of money. But again, from a practical standpoint, very powerful, very capable, and tons of storage compartments, which is what, if you're looking at a mid-sized truck or even a large truck, those are all areas that you need your truck to shine in if you're in that market, and Rivian does a great job with that, specifically with the R1T. Whew! Yeah, that one was got a little tire squeal there. But I mean, they're quick, but on top of that, again, they're just very fun to drive. They're very easy to drive. And I see why Amazon has so many of those vans. The overall platform of these is stellar. Again, for you to have all-wheel drive capability, to get the range that you do here. And I'm talking about the real world range, not just, what the computer shows you. Like, real world range on these is actually pretty good. It's not like Tesla where you're told this, but then you get 80% of it or whatever. And, they just didn't skimp out with a lot of the creature comfort you get here, having the heated seats, all 3 rows, which is fantastic. And it's just, it's solid. That's the best way to describe it. Now, off-road wise, I haven't been able to test this, but I've seen other people test the R1T in particular in terms of the off-road capability, just with how traction would work and all of that. And it does a really good job at doing that. So wouldn't be surprised if this does a stellar job off-roading as well. That's a little out of the scope of my reviews, but I wouldn't be scared to take this off-road. And it's again, the screen layout is nice, the gauge cluster layout is nice. Everything here is really, really premium. Again, for this not even to be top of the line, launch edition, or whatever it is. And it doesn't really speak to you a lot, which is good. It goes. Like most EVs, that's what you want. You don't want something that's going to be trouble every time you get in it, or it's making a new noise. Almost 20,000 miles on this 25, and it's just quiet, as it should be. No unnecessary hisses or noises or whatever. So very nice SUV, and again, very capable. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Rivian R1S Adventure.